Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 and let me share with you how to change the 3-button navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the section gestures. Then let's tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got two options. So obviously if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on Gesture Navigation to set the gestures. I also wanted to show you that here you can customize the button navigation and you can reorder the back button and the recents, so it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. So to set the gestures, simply tap on this option, and instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. We can customize it here. Just tap on this settings icon. You can try a demo, so you can just go through the, let's say, tutorial of how to use the gestures. You can swipe for assistant. Here we've got the back gesture sensitivity, and to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. It depends whether you're using cases, etc. And navigation bar, we can show or hide it. However, when the circle to search is enabled, we cannot do it. So here we've got the circle to search, just tap on it and turn it off, and now you can hide this line. So it's up to you. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center, and we will just go back. The same situation from the left side. If you wish, you can also change between the apps, between opened apps, just by swiping your finger at the bottom of the screen from the left to the right and the other way. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recent, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.